How to join the Japan-only Pokémon GO Poke Lid Stamp Rally anywhere. This incredible event, centered around real-world Pokémon-themed manholes in regions like Kyushu and Okinawa, is a permanent feature that offers highly coveted rewards. For every 2 stamps you collect in the same prefecture, you earn an encounter with Pikachu or Ampharos carrying a specific region-themed location background. Since this is a Japan-only feature, accessing it safely requires a precise location tool. To instantly participate, we will use Mag Phone Location Changer. First, utilizing the Change Location mode, simply drag the map pin to your chosen starting coordinates in Japan, perhaps a dense cluster like Saga, and click Start Modifying to teleport instantly. Now that we are on the ground, if you have a cluster of nearby poke lids, you can move freely and flexibly using the joystick mode. This feature allows you to control direction and customize your movement speed with a simple on-screen interface, making short-range exploration feel natural as you spin photo discs for stamps. To tackle the more spread-out lids and maximize your stamp collection efficiency, you can look for the coordinates of other targets, which are often visible on the stamp icons. From here, you can use 2-spot mode to create a specific GPS route between your current spot and a single destination, adjusting the speed as needed. Furthermore, if you want to visit several lids across a prefecture, the multi-spot mode or jump teleport mode provides the ultimate solution. Simply input the coordinates for multiple stamp locations into the software. While you can opt for straight-line movement for maximum speed, we highly recommend selecting the planned route mode, which generates natural-looking walking paths for a safer experience. Throughout this entire process, you can complete tasks, catch Pokémon, participate in raids, and claim your rewards just as you would normally.